How to find groups, notifications, vibrate settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find groups, notifications, vibrates on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, groups. Here, and here you will find vibrate. Just click on it and click here you can manage anything you want. You can turn it off or make it short or long, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.